Welcome to the part 2 of Practical Geometry Class 6 GeoGebra. So today we will be doing angle bisection. For that I will again remove the tab. I will remove the axis and the grid. Okay, so now I will create a random angle. You can see the measurement of this angle is 77.58, but won't be requiring this. So I will just click on the green part and I will just select remove a hide object. Then I will be using segments to create it as an angle. Yes. So now we have our angle. I will just move it. Okay. So the angle's value has changed and currently the value of the angle is 82.24. So we will now bisect it. For doing this, we will be requiring the rays to be of the same length. As we don't have the rays of the same length, I will be using circle with center through point to make same rays with same length, and I will just mark here. So now we have two intersections which makes us the exact same length of the rays. I'll just intersect them. And here also. Like we did in the last video of perpendicular bisector, we will be doing the same. I will take circle with center through point. I will be marking F and I will be taking it more than half of B. And then I will be using the compass feature to duplicate this and I'll just put it on E. Then I will bisect it, intersect it. And then I will just use a line which will create the perpendicular bisector. So this is the perpendicular bisector of the angle ABC. So to measure it, first for better clarity, I will just hide the objects. Yes. So now we will be measuring it. So I will just take the angle. I will select A, B and I. It is showing 41.12. Now let us see what was the true value of the angle. The value of the angle was 82.24. 41.12 plus 41.12 equals to 82.24. There's another method of doing this. For that I will be just deleting all this. Then I will create an angle with given size. I will make an angle as 82.24 as we had the last time. And I created a clockwise. Yes, clockwise. Yes. So now I will just move this. Yes, here. Okay. So I will just make the segments. I will remove the angle. Yeah. No, not the point. Just a second. Yes. Okay, so now again we have our angle. So there's also an inbuilt feature of doing this. If you go here where we have perpendicular line, perpendicular bisector, there's also an angle bisector. For that I will be selecting A, B and A again. It will bisect it. Now let us check what does this say. I will put an angle. No, but before that we will be requiring a point on the bisector. Yes. Then angle, I will say A dash and then C, and it's 41.12. So with this method you can take out the angle bisection manually in GeoGebra. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will be covering the topic of how to make angles of unknown measure. Thank you.